All right, now we have the markets mixed, and we've gone from deep red to almost green with all three indexes. And let's get straight to the data. Consumer confidence, that surged. It rose to its highest level since 2021. And the U.S. consumer, they're feeling more confident as we get closer to the election. But I got bad news. After this election, they're likely going to rug pull this market, and you're going to see a lot of economic crises that have been swept under the rug begin to surface. And you're going to see consumer confidence and consumer sentiment likely go down in the next few reports. Now, we also had the Case-Shiller Index come out, and that showed that home prices continue to rise. And annually, they're up more than 4%. And that's bad news because we continue to see mortgage rates move higher. The savings rate of most Americans move lower. And that's going to mean less of your average Joe Americans are going to be able to afford a home. Now, we had D.R. Horton, one of the biggest home builders in the U.S., report their earnings. And they missed on revenue and earnings. And that stock got pummeled down 10% today. And the home builders, they're going to end up taking it on the chin unless there's some type of economic miracle that will bring up most people's credit score and put a ton of money in the bank for them to put down on a down payment. You're going to start seeing these home builders, they're going to begin to suffer. Now, over in the commodity space, the metals, they're back at it, hot again. Gold soaring to a brand new all-time record high, up more than $25 an ounce to $27.81 and change. And that's going to move higher, $2,800 an ounce this week after the monthly jobs report on Friday. That's pretty much guaranteed. And we also have silver up 50 cents an ounce to 34.5. Palladium, that continues to make its run. And that's just a couple dollars off a 52-week high. And platinum, that's going to follow with it. But again, you're likely going to see commodities. That's where the money's going to flow through the end of the year and next year. And in my opinion, we're likely going to be talking about inflation again next year. Now, we're going to be coming up on what the Fed is going to do with interest rates in a few weeks. And in my opinion, they're likely going to do nothing. If they cut interest rates again, you're going to see commodities take another leg up. And that's going to put more constraints on the American consumer. Now, there's been good news in the oil sector. Oil's been down more than $4 a barrel over the past 2 sessions. And that's going to mean a welcome reprieve at the gas pumps. And right now, the U.S. consumer, they're going to need all the money they can in order to make this a pleasant holiday season, spending-wise. Now, we're going to have a few big names report their earnings this evening. Chipotle, Google, Visa, AMD, Snap, and all this week, the biggest names on the planet are going to report their earnings. Now, this market's mixed. In my opinion, this market closes bright green today. And we're going to top this market off at an all-time high before Tuesday's election. This quick stock market commentary, please like and subscribe.